This will not be free advert, they give us
Your Excellency will also join you today, not only to sympathize with you over the fire outbreak at Singa Market, which has disrupted the commercial life of this great state, but to come bearing the promise of the federal government that we stand firmly with the good people of Kano at this difficult moment. President Bola Tinubu has approved the release of 5 billion naira to the government of Kano State to serve as palliatives to our distressed businessmen. And the All Progressive Congress Governors Forum, under the able and competent leadership of Governor Hope Odidika Uzodimma, has also pledged 3 billion naira support to the victims of the power incident at Singa Market.